Welcome to AZ Creative Concept. This vacation house, nestled amidst awe-inspiring nature, serves as a sanctuary that captivates tourists seeking refuge from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Its tranquil environment, adorned with vibrant flowers and lush vegetation, invites visitors to immerse themselves in the beauty of the natural world. The gentle sound of the nearby water stream enhances this serene experience, creating a harmonious backdrop that encourages reflection and appreciation for the wonders around us. Basically, this haven not only provides a respite for weary souls but also encourages a deep sense of gratitude toward God for His magnificent creation, reminding us of the importance of cherishing and preserving such breathtaking landscapes for future generations to enjoy. This appreciation highlights the spiritual connection many feel towards nature, recognizing it as a divine gift. Such gratitude fosters a deeper appreciation for the beauty and tranquility that surrounds us.